Hey there, just wanted to thank everybody for supporting the channel in 2023 and title of the video, can you guess my day job? Thought I'd shoot a little different video here and show you what I've been doing the last month of 2023, some projects I've been working on. My 9 to 5, I have been working for a local cabinet shop. We do kitchen installs, cabinets, countertops, everything, you name it, we do it. Take a look at some of the projects we've been working on, and thanks for watching. So those are some of the projects we've been working on at Slater Cabinets and More, and I'll have a link down in the description if you're in Southwest Missouri. We can do some great work for you, and if you're interested in projects like this, go ahead and keep watching. We're gonna have some more videos coming out of some big projects we've got coming on, and should be some pretty exciting transformations. So thanks for watching.